first round for our Miss South Asia World 2025, our heritage round, which celebrates the rich cultural heritage of our country. And we will start with our Mrs. category. So judges, are you ready? It's going to be a tough one. We have very, very beautiful and gorgeous contestants who have worked really hard. So hang on there, hang on tight, and we are ready for our Mrs. category. Guys, we do have our food vendor, Archie's Kitchen. So they will be here with us till the end of the event tonight. So please do have the yummy food, and also all our amazing vendors. We have jewelry, we have clothing. Please do support our local businesses. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have our Mrs. category starting our heritage round. Can we have the music, please?
तेरे सदके में जाऊं तेरे सितारे कदम start with contestant number 1, Manuswini Patnaik. Manuswini Patnaik is a passionate Odissi dancer and founder of a dance school in Dallas. She participates and organizes fundraisers for many non-profit organizations through dance and is a dedicated mother and certified financial advisor who helps families secure their future. She is committed to empowering others and making a positive impact. That's contestant number 1. Manuswini Patnaik. Contestant number 2, Subi Babu. A dedicated cybersecurity engineer and assistant vice president at a leading banking firm who currently resides in Atlanta with her husband and 2 children. She is a Kerala television media personality as well as a popular social media influencer and model. She currently serves as the National Secretary of the Fokana Women's Forum, former Secretary of GAMA, an accomplished dancer specializing in Indian classical Bharatanatyam and Bollywood styles, and also earned recognition by winning several pageant competitions in traditional Kerala style. That's contestant number 2, Subi Babu.
Next, we have contestant number 3, Shikha Singh. Originally from Delhi and now living in Tennessee, she holds a master's degree in economics and a master's in tourism management. She completed a cosmetology course from the Aveda Arts and Science Institute, blending her academic background with her passion for beauty and wellness. She also had the honor of participating in Miss Bharat Tennessee pageant, where she was proudly crowned first runner-up. Give it up for Shikha Singh. Contestant number 4, Pratyusha Reddy. With an IT background, she's a mother of 2 beautiful daughters and recently started makeup services. Her hobbies include cooking, dancing, being active on social media, staying busy with her makeup services, and making her clients happy. She's self-motivated and a great event organizer. Give it up for Pratyusha Reddy.
Next up, we have contestant number 5, Roma Kalra. Roma Kalra believes in the power of a smile, carrying herself with elegance and poise. Beyond her professional achievements, she volunteers with the Working Families Network, supporting colleagues through every stage of life, and with Aspire, a vibrant community celebrating cultural heritage and people who share their stories. Whether she is playing cricket, hiking, or sharing giggles with her kids, she embraces life with heart and purpose. That's contestant number 5, Roma Kalra. Next up, we have contestant number 6, Ashwini Sambaskar Mankar. Proud mother of 2, a professional model and a choreographer with a background in engineering. She started her modeling career in college, where she won in a beauty pageant and appeared in the Bollywood movie Rustom, along with other socially driven short films. She's deeply committed to giving back and teaches underprivileged children for free. She now volunteers with the Wings program in Illinois, supporting survivors of domestic violence. Give it up for contestant number 6, Ashwini Sambaskar Mankar.
Next, we have contestant number 7, Vinita Thakkar. From New Jersey, she was recently crowned Mrs. Bharat USA 2024 second runner-up. She's the co-founder of Transformative Health and Wellness and an ACE certified weight management specialist with a master's degree in biotechnology Ambitious, dedicated, and has a strong passion for nutrition and fitness. She helps transform many lives by guiding people towards their health and wellness goals. Give it up for Vinita Thakkar. Our contestant number 8, Anisha Ankush. An engineer by profession, working for a subsidiary of Toyota Industries. She's a talented dancer and a passionate model. Her love for modeling shines brightly as she blends beauty with strength in everything she does. She has also made her mark in the pageant world. Give it up for Anisha Ankush. She has been crowned our first runner-up of Mrs. Bharat Georgia 2024.
Next we have contestant number 9, Cara Wilson. From Cherry Plain, New York, she walks in the spirit of resurrection as a modern-day pioneer, a certified chaplain and trauma specialist. She has turned unimaginable pain into purpose, bridging the gap between brokenness and wholeness with compassion, confidence, and couture. She helps others find healing they never thought was possible. Today, she walks in honor of her beloved late mother, her courageous clients, her incredible children, and the Christ who makes all things new, shining with the kind of a radiant divine confidence that turns scars into strength and lights the way for others to rise. Give it up for contestant number 9, Cara Wilson. Contestant number 10, Vandana Chopra. Now we're starting with Mrs. Elite category. Contestant number 10, Vandana Chopra, is an entrepreneur who runs businesses with her husband, loves doing charity work, cooking, and traveling. She believes that all women should have the opportunity to pursue their passions. That's contestant number 10, Vandana Chopra.
Next, we have contestant number 11, Sirisha Sripada. State winner Mrs. ATA Atlanta 2024 and a financial crimes expert for 15 plus years on Wall Street. A trained dancer in 6 plus Indian styles, choreographer and film actress. She's the founder of House of Culture, Performing Arts, where the mantra is dance to express. Give it up for Sirisha. Contestant number 12, Sapna Chirugrupati. From Ashburn, Virginia, mother of 2 girls and an IT business development manager. She is committed to supporting vulnerable communities, especially children, women, and senior citizens, and has contributed to organizations like Kadam Public Charitable Trust and Serve Needy in Hyderabad, India for homeless children. The Invisible Scars Foundation for Survivors of Domestic Violence and the Loudon Dulles Fraternal Order of Police to support retired officers. Give it up for Swapna Chigurupati.
Our next contestant is contestant number 13, Dimple Gautam Pasari. Hailing from a traditional Marwari family, an engineer, an MBA graduate, a yogi, an author, and a substitute teacher, Dimple plans to leverage this platform to champion all girls and women she meets by demonstrating that age and background are no barriers to chasing dreams. Give it up for contestant number 13, Dimple Gautam Pasari. Now we'll move to our Mrs. Classic category. Our next contestant, contestant number 14, Sunita Patel. a compassionate mother, distinguished nurse practitioner, and founder of Millennium Skin and Laser Medical Spa. She leverages her doctorate from Rutgers University to drive transformative change, empowering women through education, inspiration, and community engagement. That's our contestant 14, Sunita Patel.
Our next contestant in Mrs. Classic category is Ambika Arumugam. From a small town in Tamil Nadu and the founder of Divan Beauty, her true calling is the Rishi Foundation, named after her late son. Through this foundation, she supports education for underprivileged children and empowers women by helping them gain livelihoods. She is here today to inspire women to believe in their strength and to remind them that it's never too late to rewrite their story. Give it up for Ambika. Our next contestant number 16 is Ishita Bhattacharjee. By profession, she's a leader in the education industry, a winner of Mrs. Bharat Karvi 2024, and an Instagram influencer by passion. She's associated with Art of Living charity and non-profit organizations and a mom of 10-year-old son. She's a trained classical singer and an adventurous soul who loves hiking, playing racket games, and into motivating people for good holistic health. Give it up for Ishita Bhattacharjee.
Now moving on to the curvy category, we have contestant number 17, Nehal Patel. A dedicated mother of two who has a passion for healthy living, dance and exercise. Working with preschool children has taught her patience and provides her the joy of shaping young minds. Her generosity shines through her contribution to children and the elderly in India through food donations. She lives by the motto, if not now, then when? Contestant number 17, Nehal Patel.
Okay, so that was our gorgeous Mrs. Elite, Mrs. Classic, Mrs. Petite, and Mrs. Curvy category. Give a big round of applause for the gorgeous ladies. That was a true presentation of beauty and excellence, our Mrs. category. Next, we would like to call on stage our Miss and Teen category and our MS category. Okay, so we have our Miss, Teen and MS category on stage.
भाभी तेरी वे वीरा शगन करेगी भाभी तेरी वे वीरा शगन करेगी भाभी तेरी वे वीरा
That's our wonderful Miss and MS and Teen category. Give it up for our Miss, MS and Teen category. Our first contestant in this category is contestant number 18, Siddhartha Patil. A senior firmware engineer, certified nutritionist, and relentless advocate for women's health and mental wellness, she is a force in both the tech and fitness world. Through her non-profit, she empowers young girls for access to education. She thrives on 15-mile hikes, trail running, yoga, Pilates, and snowboarding. She radiates regal grace and unshakable strength of a queen, powerful, poised, and unstoppable. Contestant number 18, Siddhartha Patil. Contestant number 19, Priya Kumar. A business owner in the finance industry, a fashion show director, and an IT manager. She is dedicated to community service and financial literacy by helping individuals secure and build brighter futures and is passionate about empowering women and others. She loves public speaking, dance, and choreography, which has inspired her to direct fashion shows, a platform where she expresses herself while uplifting others. Give it up for contestant number 19, Priya Kumar.
Our next contestant, number 20, we have Jaishnavi Pomanna, a visionary computer scientist driven by a mission to transform education and sustainability through technology. She co-founded Utensils to Go, a university-wide sustainable initiative impacting over 10,000 students and empowers young minds through STEM education with cool tech girls. Raised in a humble household, she now leads Her Wealth, a non-profit focuses on financial literacy for women, providing that there is no wrong time to start the right thing. Give it up for Jaishnavi. Our next contestant, contestant number 21, Gitika Kondabatini, winner of Miss Bharat Tennessee 2024 and the runner-up of Miss Bharat USA 2024. She's a sophomore majoring in computer science, has done internships at the National Cancer Institute and the Securities and Exchange Commission, and was also the chapter leader for Girls Commuting League, which provides STEM opportunities to minority and underprivileged students. In her free time, she loves to dance and play with her dog Janu, and has been newly appointed as a student operations manager for the company Storage Scholars. Give it up for Gitika.
Next up, we have contestant number 22, Ambika Jessica Sharma. Crowned Miss Bharat North Carolina, South Carolina, and third runner-up for Miss Bharat USA 2023. She is a business analyst specializing in generative AI. In her free time, she enjoys spending time with friends and helping girls build their confidence through modeling. Give it up for contestant number 22, Ambika Jessica Sharma. Our next contestant is contestant number 23, Surya Sana. Surya Sana is Miss Bharat Georgia, is passionate about helping and advocating for women of color to build confidence. She is also proudly affiliated with Raksha, an organization that is dedicated to providing support and empowerment to women in need. Contestant number 23, Surya Sana.
We have contestant number 24, Angelica J. Born and raised in Texas with proud Gujarati roots, she's a dedicated physician who strives to inspire the next generation to believe in themselves and pursue their dreams. She's passionate about making a difference. Her ultimate goal is to become a philanthropist using her platform to give back and create lasting change. Give it up for Angelica. Judges contestant number 25 Valen will be only doing cosmopolitan round. So we'll move on to our teen category. Contestant number 26 Sasha Bedi. A 14-year-old and prior beauty pageant winner who is also aspiring to be a dentist. When she's not shaping smiles, she's shaping clay as a passionate pottery artist and enjoys ballroom art and baking. Wow, balloon art and baking. Give it up for Sasha Bedi, everyone.
Next we have contestant number 27, Aditi Sonhe. A highly passionate young woman, Miss Bharat Tennessee 2023, who graduated high school at age 16 and is the managing operations and social media manager for three UPS shipping centers. She volunteers for 2 non-profit organizations, India Association of Nashville and the AAPI Association of Nashville. She strives to empower and inspire young women through social media platforms and enjoys hobbies like dancing, singing, and aspires to pursue a degree in business. Contestant number 27, Aditi Sonhe. Contestant number 28, Hasini Kethe. A competitive Bharatnatyam dancer, Bollywood dancer, and confident young actress. She is a devoted student and an avid reader who believes that every great chapter begins with confidence, compassion, and kindness. Whether she is bringing characters to life on stage or volunteering at the YMCA, she strives to lead by example and inspire others to be their best selves. Contestant number 28, Hasini Kethe.
So that was our teen, Miss and MS category. Give them a big, big round of applause. Woo-hoo! Thank you so much. Okay guys, so now it's time to call our cutest and most adorable category on stage, our preteen and tween category.
पापी तेरी वे मीरा शगन करेगी पापी तेरी वे मीरा शगन करेगी ना शगना दी मेहंदी सुहारन
Come on, give them a big round of applause.
शगना दी मेहंदी सुहारन में पापी तेरी वे मीरा शगन करेगी पापी तेरी वे मीरा शगन करेगी ना शगना दी मेहंदी सुहारन में
Contestant number 29, Anvita Desu. An enthusiastic 9-year-old with a clear passion for singing, songwriting, and her lyrics were also brought to life by the prestigious Country Music Hall of Fame. She is also a disciplined red belt in Taekwondo and a super confident, award-winning public speaker. Contestant number 29, Anvita Desu. Contestant number 30, Arshi Saragadam. 8 years old, who is a classical singer and a Kuchipudi dancer. She helps take care of her special needs sister and is passionate about supporting other special needs kids and their moms. She is an actor and recently started learning about natural healing. Contestant number 30, Arshi Saragadam.
Woohoo! Our next contestant, contestant number 31, Ishi Patel. 10 years old, who loves singing, dancing, drawing, traveling, and is very passionate about modeling. She was Miss Bharat Florida, Miss Bharat USA She was Miss Bharat Florida, Miss Bharat USA in 2023 and next top model in 2024 in her own category, guys. So give it up for Ishi Patel. Our next contestant, contestant number 32, Sanvi Chitori. You're capturing hearts with her radiant smile, graceful presence, and kind spirit. Whether she's helping others, expressing her creativity, or lighting up a room with her positivity, she proves that true beauty shines from within. Give it up for Sanvi.
Next we have contestant number 33, Adya Parasumana Balaji. 6 years old, here representing the graceful traditions of South India. Dressed in a beautiful silk attire with flowers in her hair and culture in her heart, she brings to you the beauty of temple bells, classical dance, and warmth of traditions. She may be little, but her South Indian roots are strong, proud, and full of joy. Contestant number 33, Adya Parasumana Balaji. Contestant number 34, Laura Wilson. 8-year-old from upstate New York who sparkles from inside out. Her laughter rises like bird song, lighting up every room with Christ-centered joy, a heart full of wonder and a gift for creation. She has the kind of imagination that believes in unicorns and miracles and dreams of becoming a doctor and devoted mother. With her brother as her best friend, her mom as her hero, her father as an inspiration, and open arms for everyone she meets, she reminds us all that the most powerful kind of beauty is the kind that shines from the soul. Contestant number 34, Laura Wilson.
Okay, so that was our preteen and tween category. Aren't they the best, guys? Can we have a big round of applause? There you go. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so now we have our handsome, dashing category, the Mr. category, everyone. Woo!
That's contestant number 35, Rishabh Ramachandani, winner of Mr. Teen South Asia World 2020. He is a freshman at University of Knoxville who doesn't only excel in academics, but is a junior black belt in karate and also a national level dance champion, who has performed at the Howdy Modi event in the presence of President Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He hopes to follow his parents' footsteps and pursue business entrepreneurship in college. Contestant number 35, Rishabh Ramachandani. Contestant number 36, Raghuveer Saragadam. From a background in IT field as a software integration architect who believes in purpose, discipline, and authenticity. Whether he's mentoring young minds, staying active through sports and fitness, or working on community service initiatives, he strives to be a man of action and integrity. For him, being here isn't just about looks, it's about leadership, presence, and using the platform to inspire others to be the best version of themselves. Contestant number 36, Raghuveer Saragadam.
Next, we have contestant number 37, Rajnikant Dadi. A passionate blend of rhythm and tech. IT by profession, dancer by passion, and a DJ who knows how to light up the night. With a knack for strength management, he brings energy, precision, and creativity to every space he enters. He's an all-in-one techie, performer, and party starter. Give it up for Rajnikant. Rajnikant. That was our dashing Mr. category. Thank you so much. Next, we would like to invite the most inspiring category for tonight, our grandmom category. Woohoo!
Contestant number 38, Debbie Banerjee. Retired and enjoying the beautiful city of Atlanta. She enjoys dance, drawing, arts and craft, loves to create artwork and dolls by repurposing everyday material and make things useful and beautiful. That's contestant number 38, Debbie Banerjee.
Woohoo! Our contestant number 39, Hina Patel. Originally from Ahmedabad, she's a proud mother of 3 children and 1 grandson. Her family remains her top priority. She's a real estate investor with a background in the motel industry. In her free time, she enjoys yoga and attending fashion shows. She's a strong advocate for women empowerment and actively participates in charitable events supporting this cause. Give it up for Hina Patel.
Give it up for our last category in the Heritage Round.